Hey my loves, it's lilyalecia coming back to you all with another video. So this bob wig, I did get this from Amazon. Now the link will be in the description box down below. It is a 13 by 6 Lacefront wig, and it does come with 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. And it does come with adjustable straps that you see right there. So here I am just going to put it on, and I will be installing this wig, and you guys will see how I do it. So here I am showing you guys the Wonder Lace Bond that I do use. I did get this from my local beauty supply store, and I believe it was about $7 for this. So yes, this is my first time actually using this, so you guys please bear with me. Now I did go ahead and put it on. I did apply 2 layers actually, but you guys don't see that, but I did apply 2 layers, and I did let it dry. And the way how I am installing this wig is I will be applying the middle, and then I will be applying the 2 sides. I'm not going to do the entire front all at once, because I just feel like it will be a better application if I do the middle and then I do the 2 sides. So I do apply 2 coats. I do let it dry, and I know you guys see that there is a little bit of purple and it's not completely clear, but like I said, this is the first time that I am using lace glue to install my wigs, so you guys please bear with me. I will be trying out different lace bonds or lace glues, so yes, please bear with me. So here I am going to be applying the sides. I did go ahead and blow dry it, and I did apply 2 coats on the sides as well. So here I am blow drying the frontal. Now I went ahead and applied the middle and the 2 sides, and now I'm just blow drying it. And I will be taking the end part and also the teeth part of my comb just to pat everything in, just to make sure that everything is secure. And I will be taking out some of the baby hairs that did get a little bit stuck, just to make sure that it doesn't completely dry with the rest of the glue or with the rest of the frontal. So now I am taking my handy dandy silk scarf, and I will be tying that down really tight, just to make sure that it's fully melted. And I do let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I do take it off, and I take my foam mousse or wrap, or whatever you guys want to call it, my mousse foam wrap, and I will be creating my baby hairs. Now You guys go ahead and watch me struggle on creating my baby hairs. I am not the best with baby hairs, but it doesn't matter how long you take. What matters is the end result. So you guys just go ahead and keep watching me struggle to create these baby hairs. And after 5 minutes of struggling to get the baby hairs the way how I want them, I do take my Got To Be Freeze Blast spray in the yellow can, and I go ahead and spray it just to make sure that everything is in place. And then I do a little bit of touching up on the baby hairs, and then I take that same scarf again and I go ahead and tie it down really tight, and I let that sit or let it dry. And once it is dry, I do go ahead, that's my son in the background. Once it is dry, or while it's drying, I do go ahead and flat iron the hair, and then after I flat iron, it should be dry, and I take it off, and that is the end result, you guys. So the link to the hair will be in the description box down below. I absolutely love this hair. The quality of the hair is amazing, and the length and everything is just amazing, you guys. So if you guys want an affordable bob, definitely go ahead and go to Amazon.com, and you guys will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also watch my previous videos. Alrighty, I will see you guys in my next one. Stay beautiful.